Well, yeah, this is a quick video about the Birthday Card Cash Club and how it works. As you can see here on the screen, the Birthday Card Cash Club pays you $60 for each new referral. When you bring someone into the Birthday Card Cash Club, your sponsor will get $35, which is really cool. It's a really good payout. And what's really awesome is if you refer someone who has the same birthday month as you, you could receive an extra $25. And that's in addition to the $60 that you get for every referral. So that's a total of $85. So that's a pretty good payout. So yeah, the Birthday Card Cash Club is a very simple flyer/postcard program, and all you have to do is mail out postcards and mail flyers. And there's a specific website where you can go and purchase the postcards, and they're very affordable. And I don't know about you, but mailing a postcard is very simple, and if you can make extra money from home doing that, then why not? Now, the admin does receive a $30 setup fee out of the $150 startup cost. It's a one-time cost to join. You don't have to pay anything monthly. And again, when you bring someone in, you make $60. Your sponsor gets $35. You get an extra $25 if the person you bring in to the club has the same birthday month as you. And then the monitor gets $30. So that's total $150 cash. So yeah, if you would like to join the Birthday Card Cash Club, you will need my ID number to join. My ID number is 749-221. And if you have any questions, you can call me on my cell phone, which is 772-200-3597. And if you know how to mail a postcard and mail a flyer, then this is something that could really, help you generate a good amount of money from home. And it's very simple. And that's the key, is if something is simple, then why not? Why not do it? And, if you are consistent, then you could end up, working from home full time. But it's all about consistency and mailing out flyers and mailing out postcards, which is very simple. So again, my ID number is 749-221 if you decide to join. And you can call me with any questions that you have, 772-200-3597. And I look forward to helping you earn some extra income from home. Thanks for watching.